Hello friends, welcome to Loxyo Tech YouTube channel. Creating a bootable USB is a crucial step for installing Windows 11 on your computer, especially if you want to perform a clean installation or fix issues with your current operating system. There are so many methods available to download and create a Windows 11 bootable USB. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a working Windows 11 bootable USB drive the right way. First, you need to download a bootable ISO image of Windows 11. There are many methods to download a Windows ISO file. In the UUP dump method, you can download the bootable ISO images of old and new versions of Windows 10 or 11 systems. You can download any edition of Windows according to your needs. But later, you need to create a bootable USB using any third-party application. Another method is to use the Internet Archive website to download older and new Windows version. From this archive website, you can download ISO and torrent files of Windows versions. After downloading the ISO images, use a third-party application like Rufus to create a bootable USB. The third method is to download and create a bootable disk for installing Windows 11 OS using the official Microsoft website. Log into the official Microsoft website to download Windows 11 latest version. Here, you can download the ISO image file of Windows 11 having all editions in a single file. Later, create a bootable USB to install it. The final method is a simple and easy way to download and create a Windows bootable USB in just a few steps. Log into the official Microsoft Windows download page and download the Media Creation tool. Download the Windows 11 Installation Media tool and open it. Then, accept the terms and conditions and select the language for your OS. Connect a pen drive with at least 8 GB of free space and choose the media as a USB flash drive. Click Next and select that USB drive. Again, click Next. Now it starts downloading the Windows 11 bootable ISO and creates a bootable USB flash drive in a single step. Please be patient until it finishes the download and media creation process. After creating the bootable disk, install Windows 11. For activating Windows 11, you need to buy a product key from any e-commerce website like Flipkart or Amazon. After installing, go to My PC Properties, open Product Key and Activation. Enter the purchased key by changing the product key and activate it. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.